mixing paint with Ceram Coat for white. We're just going to use a good dose of that. Blue apple barrel. I found this trick online. You can use tights, kind of like a mesh screen, where you can filter out dried paint, or if you have extra clumps in there. It's really nice and helpful. It's actually worked pretty well. It'll work about 1 to 2 times at least for pores. And like this one, you can tell it had a bunch. So this one, I think I had to tip it over a few times. I just found online you can do PVA glue as a pouring medium. So if you want to save some money, this is a good start. You can try this out and see if it works for you. And this is Delta Red Ceram Coat. And I just have a mixture of different brands. So if you guys have any feedback on staying with the same, let me know. This yellow was a Craft Smart. I had a wider opening with that, so I had to put it in this sauce bottle. It would not pour through with the regular bottle. So here's Elmer's Glue All. Usually it's about 20% to 30% ratio to your acrylic paint. And I just kind of eyeball it. I did some different creativity challenges in the last year or so, and they kind of opened me up to acrylic pouring. And I just thought it was so cool, so I had to figure out how to do it. So I researched a bunch on Pinterest, of course, and on YouTube. This is water. So you can kind of just eyeball this one. I realized I wasn't using enough water at all, so I tried to use a little bit more in this video. I just thought it was really cool, and it's kind of like therapy for me. It's like meditation in a sense. It's relaxing. Once you figure out the in and outs, it's so much fun. So I use this coconut milk oil. It's like a hair serum, and you can use this in place of silicone for cells. And you don't need very much. You just need 1 squirt per cup usually. And then I just use popsicle sticks. You'll want to mix a little bit slower than I was. I was kind of speeding it up for the video. Just make sure it's not like you're scrambling eggs. The less bubbles you have, the better. And you just want to make sure you're going through the whole shebang. Make sure you're mixing everything together. And you just got to make sure you have the right consistency once you tilt it. Horizontal, it should stay on the stick, and when you tilt it down, it should pour off pretty easily. So you might need to add some more water like I did. The better that can flow, the better it will go around on your canvas or whatever you're pouring on. So this is the part you just have to be patient and do your due diligence. Try it again. It looks a little better now. Let's put a little bit more water in this one. Here, so that one's good. We're gonna do the blue one next. I want to say this one was a little runnier. So if there's a difference with the brands, that must be part of it. Maybe I've had one longer than the other. I couldn't tell you. It's definitely closer to the consistency we want. Yeah, just a little bit more. I think that should be good. Do you guys have any tips or tricks for mixing your paint? Let me know. Just leave a comment. I'm always looking for feedback and ways to make it better, of course. If there's things you guys know of, please let me know. This yellow one was kind of in between. Definitely not bad as the white. It was a little thinner. And these ones I will be using for a pour video going forward. So you'll see that in a different video. It's just a primary one. So just very basic red, yellow, blue with white. So that one's good. We can do the red one now. And the tights are pretty nice. You can get them at the dollar store and just cut off a little square and use that. It seems to go a ways too. There we go. That's pretty good. A little more. My husband was helping me after a while. That was nice of him. Well, looks like we're all set up here after this one. Let me know what you guys think, and if you have any tips, let me know. If you like this video, please hit subscribe. Thank you.